Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the DCI number 3210T 32D wrought convex wall bumper in a satin stainless steel finish. So wrought is a metalworking process that is synonymous with good quality but inexpensive. Casting is what is used when a higher quality of finish is required and it results in a substantially more expensive piece of hardware when it comes to door stops. So if you're looking for inexpensive, regular run-of-the-mill stuff, look for wrought, regardless of the manufacturer. But that's what that looks like. Overall diameter of the 3210 is 2.5. Base projection looks like it's about 5/16. Overall projection, basically 1 inch. Has a captive screw on the inside, and you access that by literally pushing a screwdriver right through that. Number 2 Phillips, you're not going to harm that. You'll push it in there and you'll get it attached. You're going to get a hollow wall anchor along with a plastic anchor, and that will get you most likely everything you need to do on that installation. Could you, of course, force that piece out? I don't really know. I don't know that I'd want to try. And in fact, I would say you cannot. Okay. Now, where are you going to use a convex wall stop? Well, a convex wall stop will be used when you have push and pull hardware. Would be an area where you use convex. A passage set on a lever. Anytime you want to stop something from hitting the wall. But here's where you won't use it: when you have a push button on a privacy or an entrance lock or an office lock. Because you don't want that button to be depressed when the door closes, and then possibly you have a locked condition when the door is closed. Not always, but you could have that. So the 3210 is going to be available in different finishes, and specifically from DCI, it'll be available in US 10 for satin bronze, 10B for oil rub bronze, 26 for polished chrome, 26D for satin chrome, US 3 polished brass, US 32 for polished stainless, US 32D for satin stainless, and then finally a US 4, and I'm looking at a screen, US 4 for satin brass. You'll be able to do all of that in. So be mindful of where you're going to be using the item in conjunction with the hardware that you're using. You've got the dimensional properties. You know, if you want to do a job and not have to worry about convex or concave, just order all concave, and then you won't have to worry about push button functions, because that's the one you'll use for it. And that's a 3211T, by the way, from DCI. There is a link below this video to the product catalog, and it will give you an overview of their wall bumpers, and you'll see the references to the cast wall bumpers. A solid piece of brass that will be cast will give you a better... It's certainly going to be more durable because you're dealing with a cast piece of architectural metal rather than a wrought piece of very thin gauge material. But nonetheless, the cast ones are generally orders of magnitude more expensive. So will you use wrought door bumpers in a brand new library? Probably not. That won't be spec'd. But a commercial space for your favorite coffee shop, yeah, I would say wrought would be just dandy for that. Now they can do also that 300C self-adhesive little bumper. I think that's probably about a 1 inch diameter, maybe a little bit bigger. Cheap, easy, peel it off, stick it on. Landlords love those because they're cheap and easy to put on. And the application doesn't call for anything beyond that, really. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the DCI products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the DCI part number 3210T, a wrought convex wall bumper in stainless steel finish, or any other DCI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.